Good morning everybody, day 2 of Ireland. It is Saturday today and we got breakfast in bed. We got paid for the breakfast anyway with the hotel and it was actually like £2.50 to have breakfast in bed. Always going to choose that option. Yeah, let's try it, give it a go, It's delicious. Tastes so good. These are nice. Oh, this is nice, this is good. Yeah, so the plan is today, eat breakfast, chill out for a bit. Joe's really hungover. Really hungover. I'm not too bad. Guinness was good last night. Bars were pretty good last night. Everyone might have seen it on the Snapchat. Might have some photos to put on. I don't know. We'd find out on the last video on the end of it. But yeah, so that was good. Plan is, like I say, eat this, go to bed for a bit, have a shower. Don't get time to like chill out at home. So, and then we've got the Guinness tour at 2 o'clock. And then Joe wants to do a couple of things and stuff. So we'll kind of attack the day if she can. So it's going to be breakfast, bed, and chill. Right. So I'll see you when I'm walking about. See ya. Day 2. Let's go. We are out. Joe's feeling bad. She's walking.
I'm alive.
All right. Ready for a Guinness? What time are we on? About 1 o'clock. We just have to walk around. We just got to Penny's Bridge in Dublin, obviously. Over the river. What's the river called? What's the river called?
Dublin River.
Dublin River. I don't think it is, but it'd be a good guess. And then, yeah, so it's got a bit of a walk. Got about an hour until the Guinness Festival. We can have a beer, have a Guinness proper one, an Irish one. Another one. Let's go.
Self-guided tour afterwards. The self-guided tour starts just here with the welcome introduction, then you make your way through Ireland. We've already been here for about 3 hours.
So, what we did was we created the world's very inviting, looks very, very refreshing. And if you want to sign the guest book, do. If you, like I said, the big point you can take with you out of this room. You don't have to finish it too quick. However, if you are the type of person who drinks too quick, make sure you top it off before you leave the bar. Again, what happens in the Connoisseur bar, the management don't need to know. And then very, very finally, my last loud talking today. Thank you. Thanks for signing up for the Connoisseur experience. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.
Well done, son.
Guinness Brewery is done, complete, smashed, no messing. We've done it. About 2 hours, isn't it?
Yeah, no longer. What's it?
2 hours, no, it's like 4 o'clock. Joe's really scared because we didn't have the tickets, but we've got it on the phones anyway. She was fluttering about it. Organisation is the key to happiness. Did you know that Guinness is made, uses 70% of
Barley produced.
There we go. 70% of barley produced in Ireland is used for Guinness. Pulls that a little bit of farming.
Guinness isn't actually black, it's a really dark ruby red.
It's a ruby red. Ruby. Yeah, so now we're going to go find a place to eat. Again, we might book it and then go home, have a bit of a nap. Everyone loves napping. It's the best. Yeah, we're going to find somewhere to eat and then, yeah, go home, I think.
And go get our Irish jig on again.
Go get our Irish jig on again. Yeah, it was good last time. Yeah, so that is the plan now. Yeah, Guinness tour really good. Would recommend. We had the concierge tour, which you would have noticed that our tour was a little bit different to everything else, I think. Well worth it, I think. Well happy with that one. Right, okay, let's go find somewhere to eat. So that is it. We're walking back to the hotel on a Sunday. We're gonna go to the hotel, pick our bags up, and then go to the airport and head off home. Ireland has been really good. Today's been pretty cool. Just went down the shopping centre and just had a look around. We haven't bought anything. We just browsed, a bit of window shopping. Loads of people in the street singing and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. I've had a good trip. It's been good, hasn't it?
Yeah, really good.
Highlight?
Big question. The first night out.
Oh yeah, which we didn't video. Oh, the Guinness tour was really good. So everyone, thank you very much for watching. We'll go back to farming after this. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Follow on all the other stuff. You know what? All and below. I haven't got a hand, so below. Thank you very much, and we'll see you later. Thank you, Ireland.